Pushing it down in, waiting for more. No, it's wanting more. It's real hungry. That ought to do it. There's trash right there. Yeah. Wow. Big load.
A big gold trash.
Big load.
Wow, it's nothing. What?
Oh, it's heavy.
No, it's not real heavy.
Yes, it is. For the crane.
I want to handle it.
You want to handle it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's not real heavy.
Well, it's not in our real world, but when we're playing crane and stuff, it's
It's not real heavy. I didn't make it real heavy. That way I put a chunk of rice in it.
Bring each one of those things. The yellow one, yeah, and that. You can go right to the thing with that. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay.
Grandma, getting some more for the crane.
Okay. May not sit on here too much. Are you getting some, honey?
Yeah, but I'm getting it some.
Is your watch bothering you?
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
See, it was. See, this pillow. Wow, this and my.
Just push it back that way.
So I'm gonna just.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just like I'm gonna put it over here.
All right. That's good.
There.
That's very good.
That's it.
What did you guys have to eat tonight?
Let's see. Various things. We had green banana pops.
First I'm gonna
And
do
egg sandwiches, egg and cheese sandwiches.
Really?
Mhm.
There, that was
You want
I'm
one?
gonna hug you.
Did you? Or do you want? No. Want me to make you one?
No, thanks. No, are you kidding?
What'd you eat?
We had pizza.
Mm.
No, but there's more pieces right there.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get
It's shaking down.
Why?
So we can get more. So we can get more in it.
See, I can get some more on that.
There's a whole bunch over there. Yeah, it was Pizza Hut and it was terrible.
Oh, I can't believe you had Pizza Hut. What got into you?
We just decided, you know,
Wow.
for various and sundry reasons. there, baby.
Where?
Behind you. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Hi.
So, Jeff ended up eating a bowl of cereal.
Yeah.
I liked it though. But it wasn't as good as...
Was it as good as it used to be? I mean, no? Okay. Because, I mean, I remember I used to like it,
I
but
did
now I wouldn't like it, what I used to like, because it's just greasy. But,
No, but I'm the one that's gonna take it up.
Okay, wait.
Oh.